Hello everyone and welcome to this new Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to whiten teeth using a very simple method. So let's get started. For this tutorial I am going to use this photo and then we are going to add a new adjustment layer right here. It's going to be of black and white. Everything will be black and white right now, but don't worry, we are going to fix that in a moment. But first we're going to close this and then we're going to press Ctrl I to invert that mask. As you can see, now it's black. Next we're going to go to the brush tool and select the color white. In this case is white, but if you have another color you can click in the box right here and select white, or you can press X to change the colors. Okay, white, and then we're going to start brushing the teeth right here. Very simple and fast. You can take the time to make it better, but for this tutorial I'm going to make it very fast. Okay, if you make mistakes like this, you can select the color black again by clicking this little icon or X in your keyboard to delete that part. Okay, very simple. Okay, your teeth are now black and white, but it doesn't look very real because they are so white. So we need to lower the opacity to make it better. Like 60% looks better. 60% is the number that you want. So next we are going to fix the image because it looks so much orange or red. So we're going to create another adjustment layer right here and select curves. We're going to change the channel to red, make a point right here and lower in a little bit. Now select the green channel and make a point right here and make it like this. The blue channel and the same thing as the green one, just like this. And now your image looks better and your teeth are white. So that's it for this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.